That's Milano Red. And doesn't it look fresh for Championship White? Oh yes, Uncle Keith. Well done, brother. Well, we're back at Uncle Keith's paint shop, as you can see. And there is a Championship White FN2 Civic in here. And I know it's been here a little while. It's had some work done to it. It's certainly had some work done at the Dynodaze workshop because it's been undersealed, hasn't it, Richard?
Yeah, so I cleaned up an underseal. Is what we started with this car at the start of the week.
Yeah.
It had a previous repair on the quarter panel and a very rusty scab on the quarter panel.
Yeah, it's had a rusty blister.
And a big sort of blister on the bottom of the quarter panel.
Which you don't normally see on these, do you?
Yeah, you don't normally see. So I think it's obviously had a little repair in that corner before, and obviously it hadn't been executed too great. So I cut a section out of it, welded a section back in, and did that as well. That was sort of like my Monday, Tuesday work for me. And then we sort of transferred it over to Uncle Keith, where he's repaired and painted the roof and done the roof rust.
Very good, very good.
And then obviously filled my joint of the metal in the quarter panel, and obviously repaired the quarter panel and painted the quarter panel. So that's where we are.
That's another job in the bag, lads.
Well, it certainly is.
It's a nice car. It's a nice car. It's all freshly undersealed. I've got one of these. I don't know whether I told you that or not. But I have got one of these. Yeah, lovely.
He said, don't get his bucket in the photo.
Don't get his bucket in the photo.
Worried about someone falling.
What are you wearing today?
Yeah.
I was worried about someone falling over it or in it.
Yeah, as I step backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, but another lovely car. It's certainly got. I've got one of those grills as well. But you wouldn't even. I mean, I suppose that's the sign of a good job. You wouldn't even know that it had been done. It's even had a sticker replaced. They're expensive from Honda, those decals. But yeah, another one done. Well done, T.
Yeah, a new TypeR badge for the front grill though, in the box.
Yeah?
Yeah, you get two stickers on the TypeR badge.
Yeah, well, he's got that to play with, hasn't he?
So the customer's got that, so he can put that on as well if you want to.
Yeah. Well, a lovely car. You've got some photographs, haven't you, Keith?
Yeah, I've got photos, so 40 photos and then...
Well, we'll run the photos.
Do with this car, but he's got
Oh, has he got some... What are these?
Yeah, I've got photos, yeah.
Oh, I meant of this vehicle.
This car?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We'll run them now.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.